Hi there, my name is Joyce Robinson and I am the Education Manager for the Adult Training Program here at CHAD. I would like to introduce to you our latest course entitled Independent Adult Living, where we have lessons that range from basic apartment searching to organizing medical records and even minding your money. So in our Minding Your Money module, we go over financial steps and budgeting and bill pay. I want to share 3 tips that you can do day to day to help you manage your money. Number 1, collect receipts that are stashed in your wallet or in your car or in your desk. Number 2, enter receipts and expenditures in your personal financial software or in your checkbook if you still keep one, and store receipts in an envelope until the end of the month. Number 3, open bills that come in the mail and write on the envelope the date each one needs to be mailed. Place them in order of the date that you have to pay them. I hope these tips were helpful, and if you would like to learn more about independent adult living, please visit us at chad.org.